Hi guys, Ben Borsht here and welcome to Catch Me. Alright, we're making some chili prawns, and I think for this recipe I'd love to leave the head and the tail on the prawn to really sort of give you a nice showcase of these beautiful Moreton Bay prawns. To peel the prawn, what I want to do is just lift my finger up underneath the legs closest to me and start peeling that skin, that shell from this side. Not working my way all the way down to the tail, but definitely getting up as close as I can to the head. As you can see, it's come off in one sort of smooth motion, all the shell into the bowl, and we're left with prawn head on and tail still on. I'll show you that again. Got these beautiful prawns. I'm just going to use my thumb to peel the prawn with the legs closest to me, getting my thumb right up underneath that shell, all the way down to the tail and all the way up to the head. Just moving it in one fluid motion right the way off. And there we go. All done in one. Tail still on and head still on. Now what I need to do is get rid of that poo tract out of the back side of the prawn. I'm just going to use my knife, run my knife just down the line at the back. This does get a little bit messy, but nobody wants to be eating poo in their prawns. Flick that off onto the shell in the bowl. Make sure we get all of that out of there. And there we are, beautifully nice clean prawn. There it is, nice clean prawn. Deveined and deshelled. Alright, for the chili prawns, we're going to make a chili paste. We've got a whole red capsicum, just cut up roughly into cubes. We're going to get our blender, our food processor, and just pretty much get everything in. One whole red capsicum, got about 8 to 10 chilies. They're just the long red chilies, so it's not going to be too hot. If you want it hotter, you can always use bird's eye chilies, and we're going to chuck in about 12 cloves of garlic. So all of our ingredients in the food processor: chilies, capsicum and garlic, and we just want to puree that up till it's nice and fine. Just scrape down the sides of the bowl, make sure we get everything in there. So now we're going to use some extra virgin olive oil, and as the blender's going, we're going to try and emulsify the olive oil with the chili and capsicum and garlic. So we're just going to get it going real fast and just add as much olive oil until it becomes a nice sticky chili paste. I reckon that's looking pretty good. That's really nice and hot. That's got a lot of fire in it. I can still taste the garlic, and I think that's just going to coat these beautiful prawns really nicely. All right guys, let's get cooking. We're just going to give the griddle pan a nice little season with some olive oil, and that is smoking hot at the moment. and I want to just give these prawns a quick brush with this beautiful chili paste. Get that all over them. Get it on the head, get it in between the legs, on the tail, all over. And obviously this recipe has made way more chili paste than we have prawns, but I think if you were having a barbie, you could definitely pull these out as a bit of a starter. You know, a bit of a beer snack would just be fantastic. Get all that chili paste right over them. It's looking really good. And we're just going to lay them in. You want that nice sizzle. I'm going to get some nice char marks on these. One more in the pan. We're going to baste this other side now. Really get them lathered up with that chili paste. The prawns only need probably 30 to 40 seconds on either side. We don't want to overcook our prawns because they'll go tough, and no one likes a tough prawn. A little bit longer. Want to get those nice bar marks on them. Give that cook side another hit with that chili paste. Really get that flavour into them. We've got our nice plate and we'll just plate them up really simply. Just want to serve them with a wedge of lemon. There's my chili prawns, beautiful as a bar snack or a starter for any great party. Thanks for joining me. Download my ebook for all the full recipes. Catch you later.